this tutorials is to know about the Roblox fun commands. Roblox fun commands are also known as admin commands, and these commands allow the user to have amazing things to do with its virtual character like fire, unfire, invisible, visible me, bighead and much more. These admin commands updated from time to time, so some went unavailable and the new ones are added without notifying any user. To get commands on Roblox, we need to go in game chat the use/this sign with every command we want to execute. Best Roblox admin commands are like fire, unfire, sparkles, smoke, invisible. Let's type fire to put fire and then unfire in chat windows to remove the fire commands on player. Add another commands, sparkle on chat window. Sparkles are added and its look player is throwing the sparkles like fairy where she is going. Awesome nah. Oh, my Roblox fiend Jake C has joined me. He got to know that I am online and might be I was making the video on commands. I should not tell him in advance that what kind of tutorial I am going to make it on Roblox. It's look like he is running the fly command and teasing me. Very bad. Let's run the smoke command and you will see lot of smoke near to my avatar. I will not run bighead command, my friend is already run that command and roaming near to me with bighead avatar. Let's make invisible and then visible to our avatar in game. Now, I will put myself into the jail and after some time will unjail myself. Let's remove smoke from my avatar. Now run the famous admin fly command in Roblox. When avatar is flying, then it can be controlled up and down using the R and F keyboard. Movement can be controlled using the keyboard button like W, S, A and D. There are some other famous commands which are displaying on the top left corner. Like fire, starts a fire. Unfire, stops the fire. Jump, makes your character jump. Kill, kills the player. Loop kill, kills the player over and over again. FF, creates a force field around the player. Erases the force field. Sparkles, makes your player sparkly. Unsparkles, nullifies the sparkles command. Smoke, creates smoke around the player. Unsmoke turns the smoke off. Bighead makes the player's head bigger. Minihead makes the player's head smaller. Normal head returns the head to the original size. Sit makes the player sit. Drip makes the player drip. Admin allows players to use the command script. Unadmin, players lose the ability to use the command script. Visible, the player becomes visible. Invisible, the player disappears. God mode, the player becomes impossible to kill and becomes deadly to everything else in the game. Ungood mode, the player returns to normal. Kick, kicks a player from the game. Fix, fixes a broken script. Jail, puts the player into jail. Unjail, cancels the effects of jail. Respawn, brings a player back to life. Give tools, the player receives Roblox starter pack tools. Remove tools, removes the player's tools. Zombify, turns a player into an infectious zombie. Freeze, freezes the player in place. Explode, makes the player explode. Merge, allows one player to control another player. Control, gives you control over another player. Objective of this tutorial is achieved to see the list of admin commands for the Roblox game. If you find the tutorial is helpful, please consider to subscribe the channel Panda Tech Tips. Keep liking and commenting on video. Thank you for watching.